welcome on the channel. Let's say final touch of this water, let's say, management system. It takes me a long time, just maybe because the van are in use, so from time to time we're going somewhere outside, so I lost interest in finishing some details, but it works. Of course, it requires some wiring, some work underneath. It was two parts of this water pump, some changes here in a junction fuse box, however you call it, or relay box, or whatever you want. And generally idea about this waste pump came from when I was on a camping where I couldn't dump the wastewater just because it was for caravans, so I have no access. So no problem, I have quite big tank, but in future I think this pump will be better. Okay, how it works? In the end I of course will tell how it works. Okay, here I have two wires from control panel, not control board. Okay, let's check it on which it will be ground, and let's check. So okay, gray one will be for service light. I have two wires connected here. I don't know for what. I have to check where it go, but I don't remember right now. Okay. So gray is for service light. Service light I have here. Okay, orange one. So I need the orange wire, and second will be dump, but I change design, so dump is this. So I have to take out this wire. And right now run from here here, so means okay, not working. This solenoid valve, which are dump fresh water. When I check, I have strange. Should be connected, and yeah, I don't have no. Let's repair. No, you not repair. Do it proper. Today I remember, tomorrow also, but after a few days I will. If you work fast, you work twice. This have to be on the ground, so not here, just somewhere here on this screws. Let's say it's ready, nice and connected, but as you see, it's many things where still is not connected, like this socket, this some wire. Maybe in one beautiful day I have enough time and will to finish this. I don't know how many times I disassembling these switches. So okay, how it works? We have few switches. This switch activate these two switches, water dump and waste dump. Without it, they are not active. Right now they are active, and immediately it switch on the light in the cassette toilet compartment. I think it's good if we wanna replace the cassette sometimes. And in this moment we can make a waste dump immediately. We hear when the pump works and the noise are changing where this tank is empty, and we can use the water dump. Is here the pump is using the standard pump from the water system, so it takes longer, but we can drop dump the fresh water. And the way, of course, we can always just drain it to the sink and dump from the waste tank. But you know, this is wastewater and this is clean water, so waste we should dump in proper places. Clean water we can totally dump anywhere. Here we have water level, and I have to do something with this green LED. It means I have to fit some resistors, but you know, I don't know where I have time to do this. And here we have, okay, I switch off the pump because these levels meters are activated when I switch the water pump. And here we have LED for waste tank. It's overfill. It means something like a 10%, 15% to the fill totally waste tank. It works. I check it right now. Will be hard to check. I have to fill the full waste tank, so it's nearly impossible. So how it works? Of course, few things left, like this 2 light LED diodes, but generally works, and finally I can leave it for a time being. Okay, thank you for watching. If anybody have questions, I don't know if anybody have questions, because it was like nobody are interested in it. So just please leave a comment and consider subscribing.